myself is Sujit Kondedeshwar. Recently, I was into earth moving equipment business. One day I was reading a local newspaper in Pune. So I came to know from that that there is a monsoon scheme going on for Mahindra Earthmaster. I was very much satisfied with all those features, the specifications and all, and I was fully convinced. So on the same month, I had booked an order for one Earthmaster. Recently, I have done work in 6-laning project of Government of India, which is going on in Pune area. Say roughly 124 kilometers of length. Then I have developed land developments nearby area. Then some canal projects have been completed. And my individual project, you can say I have done a motocross track for my nephew, where a shovel bucket has been used of Earthmaster. So that was very useful for the track to be making of it. The first and the most important is fuel efficiency. As compared to JCB, as compared to CAT, the efficiency was very nice. I was fully convinced the fuel efficiency of this machine is 4 to 4.5 liter per hour. That is what I am getting since 4 years. And the second most part is the spare parts are very cheaper as compared to other companies like CAT. Thirdly, the warranty is very lucrative and the productivity of the machine is on a higher side as compared to others. And the most important is when the operator gets onto the machine for the working, there is a less fatigue. So he operates the machine continuously for 8 to 12 hours daily. In the year 2014-15, I had bought my first machine, and as of this date, I have bought 4 machines. I have a fleet of 4 machines now, and in future I am planning to buy 2 more machines, that with an AC cabin in future. And I have almost recommended 20-25 of my friends to buy the same machine. They have already bought the machine. So I am recommending all the customers, all my friends, relatives to buy Mahindra Earthmaster machine.